Before you know it, the spring festival is over. It's almost time for watermelon planting again. How to grow this square watermelon? Many friends are curious to know the process. Let's share the whole process of planting last year today. Put the nursery blocks in the water to absorb enough water. Take it out while waiting to expand to a loose and porous state. Prepare a section of aloe vera. Remove the epidermis. Shred it with the absorbent paper. And we put them into each nursery block. Finally, put in the watermelon seeds as well. Be patient. Make a vegetable bed out of this plastic fence. Fill in planting soil. After 10 days, the watermelon seedlings were successfully cultivated. Transplant carefully. After 20 days. Homemade precision holder. Helps watermelons grow better. After 40 days. Artificial pollination. I want watermelons that grow into squares. Here comes the key step. After 80 days. The boxy watermelon first saw the mud. It looks good, right? That's all for today's video. If you like it, remember to follow it. Retweets and likes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.